This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Tidal on Windows. How do you get this on your Windows PC? Well, I'm right here on this URL. I will put this in the video description. It's essentially tidal.com/supported devices, and you will select desktop and laptop at the top. You might be on audio by default. When you come to this page, you just need to click on this one right here, desktop and laptop. I actually really like how they've designed this and how they have all the different devices and stuff here. It's pretty cool. So Mac is there, but you are on Windows. So you got Windows 10 Plus supported. All you will do is you will hit download right there, and then the download will fly up there. So you will find a .execute file in your downloads location. You'll just easily install it from there. You can check out Tidal. Now, I also do have an affiliate link in the video description where you can get some form of benefit depending on what kind of offers Tidal are running. They often have a free 30-day trial. If that is in progress, when you actually click that link, you can click my link and check that out. You'll get some form of offer or bonus depending on, like I say, what Tidal are running. So check that out, give the platform a whirl, give it a test drive. You don't know if you need it until you try it. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. So give that a shot. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.